Let's go over the performance section on the Chapter 3B effects of weather on small unmanned aircraft performance. So performance, it is used to describe the ability of an aircraft to accomplish certain things that make it useful for certain purposes. Many factors affect performance. Now let's talk about climb performance factors. That's what this section is going to focus on. So with climb performance factors, we have weight, altitude, and the actual aircraft configuration are the main factors for thrust and power. Weight has a large effect. If you add more weight, the aircraft must fly at a higher angle of attack, AOA, to maintain its speed and altitude. This is going to increase the induced drag as well as the parasitic drag. So more thrust is needed, and it takes away your thrust from climbing because you're pushing thrust to push it forward, right? You're trying to go forward more, but you also have to thrust to go at a angle of attack to climb. As we talked about previously, higher density altitude means you have less density air, and so the climb performance is going to diminish with altitude. So now that we talked about performance and climb performance factors with altitude, we're next going to talk about the measurement of atmospheric pressure, and this is on the short section, so that's going to be in the playlist link below the like button.